सर आई टेल यू व्हाई आई सेड कनिका। सर जब भी उसके साथ मीटिंग करूँ तो कभी उसका बच्चा आ जाता है, कभी कोई काम तो कभी कुछ, एंड इट हैज बीन हैपनिंग अ लॉट सर। और मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि वो अपने ऑफिस और घर के काम को एक साथ मैनेज कर पा रही है।
But what about Rahul? Why not him? एक क्लाइंट नहीं क्लोज कर पाया वो 2 महीने से. Even you're aware of it.
आई एग्री सर, मेरी बात हुई भी राहुल से इस बारे में। इनफैक्ट मैं उसे कल अपने घर बुलाकर अच्छे से समझा भी दूंगा। लेकिन सर एक बात तो है, लॉकडाउन हो या अनलॉक, राहुल के साथ इतनी प्रॉब्लम्स भी नहीं है। ही इज़ अ अनमैरिड गाय एंड ही लिव्स अवे फ्रॉम हिज फैमिली। वेयरएज कनिका, शी जस्ट हैड अ बेबी सर, और उसके पति को भी ऑफिस जाना होता है और वो अपने बच्चे को भी किसी डे केयर में नहीं छोड़ सकती। सो आई थिंक इट्स बेटर फॉर हर टू कॉन्सेंट्रेट मोर एट होम।
Nakul, listen. Listen, we all know that she's a good employee. And listen, more than anything else, she's just had a child. What about her finances? Come on, you can't take a decision just like this. Please consider somebody else as well.
सर इसकी टेंशन तो आप लो भी मत। आपने घर देखा है सर कभी उसका? उसके घर के बाहर महंगी से महंगी गाड़ी खड़ी रहती है और उसके पति के पास भी पैसों की कोई कमी नहीं है। तो ऐसे में मुझे नहीं लगता कि फाइनेंसेस की उसे कोई दिक्कत होने वाली है। तो आप भी मत सोचिए सर।
I hate to say it, but you do have a point. I mean, we have to take everything into consideration. So, but see, Nakul, अभी time तुम्हें मालूम है थोड़ा सा sensitive है, so I'll have to do it in my own way. Let me get on a call with her a little later. I'll speak to her around 4 p.m.
All right sir, we'll inform her about the same.
Yeah, that's fine. And दूसरा Nakul, what about the webinar that was supposed to happen? थोड़ा follow up करना है यार उसका. What are you doing?
Yes sir.
I haven't heard from you about that since so long.
वो एक्चुअली प्रेजेंटेशन थी ना सर, तो बस उसी में ही।
No, I was expecting a follow up on that a week back. I don't know what you're doing.
I'll get back to you for the same sir.
Let's hope so.
Hi sir, how are you?
I'm perfectly fine, Kanika. How are you?
I'm perfectly fine sir. I am so sorry sir. Can you just give me 1 minute? Just 1 minute, I'll be back.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Sure.
I am so sorry about that sir.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, it really must be tough, right? With all the work that's going on, and along with that, a newborn child in the house, not getting any help from the maids, and doing everything yourself, household chores.
Sir, actually I won't deny that. Lockdown has been a little difficult, but Vikram and I have been managing things quite nicely. But हाँ, जब से उसका ऑफिस शुरू हुआ है तब से थोड़ा टफ तो हो रहा है.
Yeah, I'm sure. कर भी क्या सकते हैं? I mean, it's सब कुछ important है ना. I mean, this is actually the time when you need to focus on your family and the child the most, right?
Yes sir.
Kanika, you know, I honestly feel, I mean, personally, I'm just wanting to tell you this, that I think at this time, at this crucial time, it's most important that you spend maximum amount of time with the child and you get some time for yourself. I don't know, I think you should take a pause and just focus on yourself, focus on your family, focus on the child, refresh, you know, and spend more time at home for your home instead of working all the time.
No sir, I think I have always liked working and I still like working, and till the time I'm managing things, I don't think there is any harm.
Yeah, obviously there's no harm, but you know, the thing is that I've been asked to do some cost cutting, and
Sir, are you firing me?
listen, that's not the term I want to use. First of all, just think of it as a bit of a break for you. You know, a time when you can be free from all these webinars, from all these meetings, from all these deadlines, assignments, and you know, use that time to, you know, just.
But sir, why me? I mean, lockdown में तो I think सबका ही काम बढ़ गया है, and I have.
Yeah, I know you've been managing things, but please try and understand what I'm saying. Just think of it as a break from the stressful life. I mean, 9 बजे तुम्हारी पहली मीटिंग होती है, 11 बजे तुम्हारी कॉन कॉल होती है, 2 बजे तुम्हारी प्रेजेंटेशन होती है, 4 बजे फिर से तुम्हारी मीटिंग होती है. I mean, I know it's hectic. How are you going to find time for the child? And वैसे भी, I mean, I think financially you're sound at home, right? Everybody knows your husband is one of the most popular faces and names and most well-to-do names in the industry as of now. He's doing very well for himself.
Sir,
This sort of a cut is not going to affect you as much as it may affect somebody else in the team.
sir, but कुछ particular reason तो होगा, and I'm sorry, but it matters to me. I mean, अगर आपने इतना बड़ा decision लिया है, so at least I deserve to know the reason, right? And नकुल ने भी मुझसे कुछ discuss नहीं करा about all this. Suddenly.
Kanika, isn't it a little obvious by now what I'm trying to say? The reason we've chosen you for this cost cut is because you're a woman who's just had a child and who has responsibilities at home, who has added responsibilities at home, who's financially sound at home. You don't need this job as much as anybody else does. And this job is what, a time pass for you, right?
I'm sorry?
I mean, you're the only woman in your team. All the other members of your team, they're all guys, they're males who are primary earning members in their families. You're the only one in this team who can do without this job. And you can't...
Sir, you know what? Actually, you are right. This lockdown has been a little difficult for women like me. I mean, as you said, that 11 baje ki presentation, then 2 baje con call, 4 baje ki meeting, and on the top of that, managing the house, cleaning the house, and most importantly, looking after my baby. It has been tough. But I'll tell you, sir, what's the funniest part? The funniest part is that despite of all the deadlines, the meetings, the presentations, the baby, the cleaning of the house, managing everything here, I still managed to show 20% growth in my sales even during lockdown. And I still never refuse when Nakul asks me to make presentations for him by waking up till midnight, jiske liye of course wo credit le jata hai. That's another issue. And sir, before reminding me of my husband's power, his money, his status, I would also like to remind you that you have been raised by a single mother. जिन्होंने आपके लिए शायद क्या-क्या नहीं करा. She earned for you, she worked for you, she managed the house and everything. हर event में आप जाके बताते हो that you are what you are because of her, right? So I'm sorry if you forgot what all women can do.
Kanika, listen.
It's alright, sir. I'll put down my papers. It's anyway your loss, not mine. Thank you.